Welcome to DreamGIS. Today we will learn how to digitize different features from a map using different SHP files. Now you can see our geo-referenced map and created SHP files are already added in QGIS software. If you can't see the digitizing toolbar, then right click on empty space of toolbar and check in the digitizing toolbar. Okay, now click on toggle editing. After click, you can see all icon or all symbol is appeared. Now click on add point features to digitizing point features of the map. Now the cursor is turned into a cross. After that, go to your point which you want to digitizing and left click. After that, a pop-up window will appear. Here you need to enter the ID of the point and others details like block name. Then click on OK. Now our first point is ready. Click on save icon to save your digitization. You can stop your editing by click on toggle editing. Now in the same process we make more points features in this map. Just go to your point and left click above the point and fill up the attribute table and click on OK. After digitization, if you forget to save your digitization and click on toggle editing, software suggests to save or discard your digitization and you can save your digitization. Now we digitizing rail track from this map using polyline or line SHP file. To do that, select the line layer from layer panel and click on toggle editing. After that, select add line features and start to trace the line features from the map. By left click above the line, during the tracing, create more vertex by left click on the line for accurate tracing of the line features. When your tracing is complete, right click and fill the details and click on OK. Now you can see our line features was successfully created. Now we save these features. Now we tracing a block boundary using polygon SHP file. To do that, select the polygon layer from layer panel and click on toggle editing. You can see different kinds of tools are available. For the current session, we click on add polygon to trace the block boundary. Left click above the line and trace the boundary of the block. Create more vertex for accurately tracing the boundary. When you left click above the line, you create a vertex. So create more vertex to accurately trace the boundary of the block. Zoom in on the line for see the line properly. If you click outside of the line, then just press Ctrl Z in your keyboard and your point has been deleted. When your tracing is complete, just right click and fill the details of attribute table. Now the tracing of block boundary of Bakoda 1 was successfully complete. To change the symbology of the polygon, right click on block boundary and click on properties. Select symbology and click on simple fill. There is various type of tool where you can change the style of the polygon. Click on apply, then click on OK. Here you can see the solid polygon has been transformed into transparent. Now we again change the line color into red. Now the color of the block boundary has been changed to red. Using this process, you can change any symbology of polygon, line and point. And you can see our three SHP file: point, line and polygon. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will learn how to create a administrative map and the full layout of a map in QGIS software.